Have you ever wished for a learning method that makes even the toughest subjects crystal clear and permanently etched in your mind? Imagine being able to explain complex ideas with such simplicity that anyone could understand them, building a truly robust and lasting knowledge base. This is exactly what the Feynman Technique offers. When you begin learning with the Feynman Technique, your absolute first step is to select the specific concept or topic you want to understand, and then actively study it as if you need to teach it to someone else. This initial selection and preparation to teach is foundational because it immediately shifts your mindset from passive absorption to active engagement and deep comprehension. The core reason this approach is so powerful lies in how our brains process and retain information. When you merely read or listen, your understanding can be superficial. However, the act of preparing to teach forces you to identify the essential components, connect different ideas, and articulate them in a coherent structure. It exposes gaps in your knowledge and highlights what you truly understand versus what you only vaguely recall. It is not just about memorizing, it is about building a mental model. To put this into practice, start by choosing a well-defined topic, perhaps a chapter from a textbook or a specific concept from a lecture. Then, grab a blank piece of paper or open a new document and write the topic at the top. Next, pretend you are explaining this topic to a 10-year-old child. This step is key because it compels you to use simple language, avoid jargon, and break down complex ideas into their most basic forms. If you find yourself using complicated terms, pause and think about how you would simplify them for that child. This method was popularized by Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman, who was renowned for his ability to explain highly complex scientific concepts in an accessible way. His technique, sometimes called active recall or self-explanation, is a meta-learning strategy. This means it is a strategy about learning itself, rather than a specific subject. It helps you become more aware of your own learning process, revealing what you know and what you do not know with startling clarity. By attempting to simplify and explain, you essentially become your own best teacher, reinforcing neural pathways and solidifying understanding. Embracing the Feynman technique by selecting a topic and preparing to teach, it will transform your learning journey. It helps you move beyond rote memorization to a place of genuine insight, ensuring that your understanding is not only deep but also durable. This process empowers you to learn more effectively, think more critically, and articulate your knowledge with confidence and clarity.